Hi, I'm Tiffany from Custom Service Hardware, and welcome to Tips from Tiff. Last week, I showed you how to make a portable workbench using the Centipede Tools Sawhorse. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily install soft close to your cabinets without having to replace all of your hinges. Soft close is quickly becoming the standard for nice cabinets because it's easy to understand when you compare this to the smooth and quiet action of a soft close hinge. Many self-closing hinges, like this one, already come with soft close built in, but I went ahead and turned off that feature for the purpose of this video. Some companies will also sell snap-on units for their non-soft close hinges. But what if your hinges don't come with soft close and they're not compatible with any soft close snap-on units? The best solution is to simply get a damper, like this one from Bloom. It works just like a snap-on unit, however, it works with any self-closing cabinet. The important thing to remember here is that you need to have self-closing hinges, otherwise the door will not close properly once the damper is installed. I was amazed at how easy this was to install. Here's how you do it. First, you need to determine whether or not to use the included spacer. This is a full overlay cabinet. We know that because the overlay is 1 inch or more. So the cabinet overlaps by 1 inch. If it were less than 1 inch, it would be a partial overlay cabinet and I would need to include the spacer. So if this were a partial overlay cabinet, I would use the included spacer and attach it to the hinge. What's great about this is you can put it on either side, depending on which side your hinge is on. And then I would put it above or below one of the hinges in order for the damper to work effectively. But because I'm not using the partial overlay cabinet, I'm going to go ahead and take the spacer off, and we'll just use the 1 1/4 inch screw instead of the 2 inch screw for the partial overlay cabinet. Last, I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver to adjust the contact point. You want to adjust it out for larger, heavier doors or in for smaller, lighter doors. And that's all there is to it. Now, when you slam the door, no loud noise and no smashed fingers. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again next time on Tips from Tiff.